بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents and my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your mathematics class. Let's start our studies. Okay, my dear students, first of all, you have to open page 29. As you can see, this is page 29 in your mathematics book. Hurry up, open it, all of you. Okay, students, so on page 29 we are having comparing and ordering. It is written here, comparing and ordering. Okay, so what we have to do, first of all we will compare and then order. Few, more or few? More or few? Revision, this is the revision. Okay, compare which group has more or few. Mark with tick for more and cross for few. Students, what we have to do in this question, we will check it out that किस ग्रुप में जो है वो ज़्यादा नंबर हैं और किस में कम हैं. ऑब्जेक्ट्स, नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स, देन वी विल पुट अ टिक ओवर देयर वेयर वी हैव मोर ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ठीक है, जिसमें ज़्यादा होंगे इन दैट बॉक्स वी विल पुट अ टिक, और जिस साइड पे कम ऑब्जेक्ट्स होंगे उस साइड पे हम क्रॉस करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज़ अ वेरी इजी एक्सरसाइज. First of all of you grab your pencils and come on, let's count with me. So first of all we are having here some sparrows. These are the sparrows. Okay students, yellow colored sparrows, and we have to count them. Okay, let's count with me students. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. This side is having 4 sparrows, and let's count over here. 1 2 3. So this side is having 3 yellow sparrows. So they are saying mark with tick for more. So we will put a tick over here and we will put a cross over here, because this side is having more sparrows and this side is having few sparrows. Okay, very good students. You can see this side is having more sparrows, so we have put a tick over here, and this side is having less few sparrows, so we have put a cross over here. So these are the yellow colored chicks. These are the chicks, and this side is having 1 2 chicks, and this side is having 1 2 3 4 chicks, 2 chicks, 4 chicks, 2 chicks, 4 chicks, and these 4 chicks are more and these 2 chicks are few. So we will put a tick in the side of more. Here we will put a tick. Very good. And in this side we will put a cross. Very good students, this is a very interesting exercise and we have to count in this exercise. Okay, are you enjoying the class? Very good. So now we are having some ducks. These are the ducks. Let's count how many ducks are there. 1 2 3 4 5. Let's count again students. 1 2 3 4 5. Here we are having 5 ducks, and here we are having 1 2 3 4 ducks. Let's count again. 1 2 3 4 ducks. So this side is having more ducks, so we will put a tick over here. Okay, this side is having more. So students, the side which is having more ducks, I have put a tick over there, and the side which is having less ducks, I have put a cross over there. More ducks, less ducks, few ducks. Okay, now what is this? Let's check. These are the snails. Okay, these are the snails, and here we are having 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. These are 4 in numbers, and these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 in numbers. 4 in numbers, 6 in numbers. These are the 4 ones which are few, and these are 6 which are many more. So we will put a tick over here. Very good, and we will put a cross over here. Okay students. Okay students, now you can see a tick on the more side and cross on the few side. Very good. Now let's move on the last one. So these are the parrots, and let's count how many parrots are these. Let's count with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's count again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. These are 8 parrots, and these are 1 2 3 4. These are the 4 parrots. 8 parrots, 4 parrots. So they are more in numbers and they are few in numbers. So we will put a tick over here. Okay students, now you can see tick on the more side and cross on the few side. Very good. Please do it in a very neat and clean writing. Okay students, we have just finished page 29 which was having the question more or few. ये हमने अभी complete किया है. And now it's your homework time, and your homework is you have to complete this page. Okay, then you have to take the picture of this page and share in your WhatsApp group. Students, you have to complete this page. This is your homework. Okay, and after completing, please share the picture of this page in your WhatsApp group. I hope you have enjoyed today's class, students. Stay home, stay safe. Take care, my dear students. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.